Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Pentair AquaLight Halogen Quartz Light 120V 250W 50-foot cord. Pentair AquaLight uses halogen quartz bulbs and is designed for installation in small plastic or stainless steel Pentair niches. The light shell is high-quality stainless steel, and the lens is prismatic tempered glass. The bulb is made to last for long to ensure you get plenty of use out of your pool light. Colored lenses are available for purchase separately. UL listed and CSA certified. Features: low water cutoff, easy service stainless steel clamp, stainless steel housing, 120V, 250W and 50-foot cord. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.